Yo guys, welcome back to a new video, man. Today the project begins. I know you guys can tell by the thumbnail what I got. So your boy is doing the airbag project. So going back, guys, I know I said it in one of the videos that have something very common with the GTIs or the Volkswagens. These are very common things to do in the V-Dub game, you feel me? There's a lot of people in the V-Dubs got airbags, but hey, me personally, I like to experiment. So I want to experience this airbag life, so please don't hate me for it. I know people are like, oh, it's lame, stay coilovers, you know, but hey, you gotta experience things in life, you feel me? Boy got Raceland airbags. I know it's not slam airlift performance airbags. I know, trust me, I know. But your boy on a budget, you feel me? I can't be spending $2,000 on freaking bags, you feel me? I ain't got money like that. But got Raceland bags, and I'm going to put this in the car today. This is the management. I got a V2 management. This is basically what the video is going to be mostly on, because this is probably going to be, probably not the hardest. But I got to get all this wire through the car and all that. And for the car, my umbrella. I don't know why it's like that, but I am taking out my subwoofer in the back, because obviously I'm gonna have a tank in the back, so I'm not gonna have that space with the subwoofer in there, so I need to take that out. And yeah, ooh, excuse me guys, this is the sub that I have in my trunk, and you see this thing is big, yo. So I want to get this off, and I'm gonna give the amp to my brother because he needs an amp, or he wants an amp for his car. So yeah, but the biggest thing is trying to wire all the stuff all the way to the back. Look, I gotta take all this trim off, all this, just to get wires to the back and all the way up here up into there. So this is gonna be quite a mission, guys. So I have to take all this trim piece off, and honestly, I'm looking at it, since mine is a two-door, I think I might have to take my seat out to get down there, because I have to take all this trim piece off, I think. But if I do, oh man, this is gonna be a major mission right now. That's all I'm saying. I really hope not. Wires, well, I got all them out basically. There's just dumb red wires like stuck on something back there. So I gotta see how the hell to take it out, and I have to lift this a little bit to see, you know, in there. But I got the amp off. Now I'm about to get the sub off, and then from there just start wiring everything for the management. So now I got the dumb, this is the ground to the amp and all that. So now I just need to take this trim off. I have to pop the little hood hatch. You just gotta get a little flathead and just pop it right out. Oh, hopefully I don't mess nothing up, you feel me? Because you know me, man. You guys know me. You guys know me. All right guys, so I got the hood release handle off. You see that little opening right there? Just stick a flathead in there, and it should just pop right out. You have to like pull it, and then you're gonna see this little hole. All you do is stick a flathead in there, and then just pry right off. It'll come off easy. So where the amp was all connected to is this freaking thing down there, and they just cut all these wires. So now I have to take all those little wires off and freaking put electrical tape all around it. So that's the whole mission right now, just for this dumb radio and that dumb amp. That's why I really wanted to take the amp off, because I really don't really bump like that. I mean, I do it sometimes, but sometimes I just listen to low music. You put tape on all the spliced wires, and now I have to get the management and just start running it all along the car. I think I have to take this off so I can get the controller into here, and after that I think should be done, should be good, hopefully. But yo, that wiring stuff, man, I like to stay away from it, because I don't like that. I don't like wiring stuff, man. I feel like I'm messing something up, and then there goes my car, you feel me? Because all these cars are all electrical, man. So a lot of stuff is electrical, so you know, even though it's just radio stuff, still, bro, you never know. Guys, so I got the basically the power. My brother told me how to do it, and so I had to use that wire that's already connected over there to the battery to put that red one into here, And so then the ground, put it somewhere in there, somewhere. The thing for the controller is, where is it? I just had it. Is it this? Oh, the thing for the controller is right here. I know stuff's all over the ground, but do what you gotta do. And now I just have to get the ground on, and then I have to start wiring it.
Wire 2, this pink one.
Oh, this. Wait, what's this go to?
That's to like let know the once the key is on.
Oh, to turn it on.
Turn on the manifold.
Wait, so where does this go?
Bro, you gotta put in the fuse box with like cigarette lighter. That's the thing I was telling you.
Alright, so then I'm about to do that, and then I'm about to get a controller through all this. I'm about to find my way through there. So, alright, guys. So, oh, my pedal's on the floor. So, guys, for the guys with the 2011 GTIs, bro, I've made a hole right here on the side where the freaking little thing, because this thing closes, so there's a whole like freaking thing back there. So I made a little hole with a drill bit back there, and then I ran the wires all the way through here, and I got it all the way up there. And so now I just have to run the wires all the way down across and then straight down the freaking aisle, and then I'm done. But make sure you don't mess this up, because I took it off and now I can't put it back, because bro, this whole thing, you have to get this whole thing off so you can get the wire through, and it's so much, it's so annoying. But basically I am done, guys. And then you gotta get the ground. I don't know if that is a piece of metal behind that bolt, and in between the little the foot thing where the bolt connects is like a little thing like right there. I don't know if it's metal or not, so I'm gonna test it and I'm gonna see if it is. So for you guys that haven't done the bags or anything, I'm gonna let you know, because I don't really know. If that's not metal, then I have to find some other ground around here that I could put it connected to, and then I'll let you guys know. But yo, it's whole freaking process, man. I'm so stressed. It doesn't want to stop raining, yo. It just keeps raining and raining and raining, and I can't get it done. It's starting to get dark, so this is stressing me out, because I gotta drive my whip to work tomorrow. So I don't want to have all these freaking wires all over the floor. And like, this is why I hate Florida, yo. It rains at the most random moments. Like, I promise you, I started around like 2. Freaking sun was out. It was hot as hell. I was sweating in the car. Give it an hour later, straight rain, bro. Out of nowhere. Just out of the blue. This is why I really don't like Florida. Florida is bipolar, yo. But hopefully this rain stops soon, because I need to get it done. But literally, I'm done, yo. Like, all I have to do is run the wires to the back, and that's it. And I'm done with the wiring for now. And yeah, so. Guys, so I got the wires going through there and all that, and now I just gotta put all the wires through here and through the back. But yo, this is the most frustrating thing ever, yo. This thing got me so pissed right now, yo. Like, look at my car. And I cut myself with a freaking razor and I'm bleeding, yo. This is annoying. Guys, I'm just gonna end the video here, man. I can't, like, no, I got everything through, and I got the wire through and everything. I had to take my freaking back seat out. But I got all the wires through, but it started raining again. I got stuck in my car while I was doing that, so I'm in there suffocating and stuff. So I got the wires under the seat and all that, and basically all I have to do is put the plastic back on, and I'm done with the freaking wiring, you know. I swear, I want to get rid of it already. Gosh. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vid, bro. I know this video is very unorganized, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day. More to come. The project is continuing, guys. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.